NetBackup Master Server Installation. NetBackup provides a complete, flexible data protection solution for a variety of platforms. The platforms include Microsoft Windows, Unix, and Linux systems. NetBackup lets you back up, archive, and restore files, folders or directories, and volumes or partitions that reside on your computer. The master server manages backups, archives, and restores. You configure backup policies on the master server to determine the computers and the files that you want to back up. The master server is also responsible for media and device selection for NetBackup. The master server contains the NetBackup catalog. The catalog contains the internal databases that contain information about NetBackup backups and configuration.
Installation procedure.
Copy the NetBackup master server setup on the server, and traverse to NetBackup directory as shown. Start the installation using the install command. Read the instructions and proceed further. Select End to opt out of NetBackup Product Improvement Program, and enter the NetBackup base license key for installation to continue. You can also add additional license keys. By default N will be selected. Select the same host name DocsMaster as the configured NetBackup server name of this machine. As of now, we'll not add any media servers now, hence select N. Hit Enter to select DocsMaster as the EMM server. Select Y to start the job-related NetBackup daemons. Hit Enter key to skip the Ops Center server details. After successful installation, if everything goes well, you'll get the installation confirmation. A trace file also get generated containing the installation logs, which can be deleted later once you're sure about successful installation. This concludes Veritas NetBackup Master Server installation. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.